2004 to 2008 Gallardo center switch covers are known to have issues. They peel, crack, and even fall off. Our covers are made of anodized aluminum and will last a lifetime. This video shows how to install our upgraded covers. Remove the OEM covers by pulling straight up. The covers on this car had been previously glued, so it took some force to remove them. A plastic wedge tool should work. Be very careful not to scar the switch assembly when prying. If you must pry, use several layers of masking tape on surfaces to protect them. Avoid metal tools if at all possible. Use high-quality, double-sided tape to create a snug, long-lasting fit. Insert a short piece of tape inside the new cover using an ice pick or something similar. Roll the pick to press the tape into place. Inside the new cover, there's a small dimple. Line up this dimple with the nub on the right side of the switch. Push the cover down over the switch. Another option is to apply the tape to the switch assembly first, then install the new cover over the tape. When finished, you'll have a switch panel with durable and modern-looking switches. The covers are offered in silver or black,